State of Play announced Rayman Legends Retold is coming on PS5, bringing new content and narrative twists. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech and gaming news. When a shadowy new villain spreads corruption through the Glade of Dreams, it's up to Rayman, Glowbox, Barbara, Grand Minimus, and Murphy to embark on a journey across charming and magical worlds and rescue teensies. Leap, glide, and punch your way through enemies, dive into a brand new realm, and soar during epic dragon rides. The game's brand producer Lloyd Gonan said, "We wanted to preserve everything fans love, and Legends gave us the perfect foundation to expand Rayman's lore." Rayman Legends Retold features stunning 3D visuals, breaking up the 2D perception by bending the playground, tilting the camera, and dynamizing in-game cutscenes. The game also has an expanded soundtrack by Christoph Harrell and Grant Kirkhope, bringing the journey to life in new and exciting ways. Plus, for the first time in franchise history, the characters are fully voiced. The game also has new and improved gameplay with rich selection of levels, a mysterious new realm, and 4 new musical stages in which every move must sync to the beat of the soundtrack. You can also turn the journey into a shared experience and play Rayman Legends Retold with up to 4 players in couch co-op, adding a new level of fun chaos as you play through the adventure. Rescue your friends, race them for lumps, or knock them off their path so you can claim all the teensies for yourself. Pre-order Rayman Legends Retold has already begun, and it's coming on October 1st. The game's getting released on Standard and Deluxe PlayStation editions that offer different perks. Pre-order any edition to receive the exclusive Hoodlum Havoc pack containing 2 costumes for Rayman and Glowbox inspired by Rayman 3 Hoodlum Havoc. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.